The purpose of this video is to show you once you've created some projects on CodeWarrior, we want to be able to save these to your memory stick. Now this is the first one for question 3 on lab 4 and so forth, and what we can do is we can actually just grab these from here to here, right mouse click and say export. Now under export we're going to open up general, we're going to say file system, and we're going to say next. And once we do that, we can browse to our memory stick, and it should be under my computer, and mine happens to be X9 on a network drive. Typically yours is going to be some name on F drive, E drive, D drive, something like that, but mine happens to be on a network drive. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a folder called workspace. I'm going to call it workspace 4, and workspace 4 is going to be where I have my lab 4 stuff, and I'm going to say finish. And it's going to say target directory does not exist, would you like to create it? And we're going to say yes. And right now it's transferring all of these to my memory stick, and when it's finished they'll be there. Now at this point what I can do is I can say right mouse click and delete, and notice these are on my C drive, and what I can do is click here to delete them completely right from my C drive, and I can do that and they're gone. How do I get them back? Well, from my memory stick I can say import, I can browse, I can go down to where my memory stick is and say OK, and it's going to show me all the possible things that I have on my memory stick, and I've got a number of them here, and I happen to know these are the ones that I want. This is question 3, question 3, 5, and 6. And at this point what I can do is I can say copy projects into workspace, because if I don't, then I'm going to be working from my memory stick, which is 100,000 times slower than my hard drive, so I have to make sure of this, and I hit finish and everything will come back. Now if I were to delete now, you can tell that this is done properly, because when I say delete it says C drive, not Z drive or D drive or E drive. And that way we're working with a backup copy and we have no problems, and we can then open these up again. Let me just cancel out of this. We can open up these projects again and be able to work with them, do changes, do whatever we want.